What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I just concluded the last one about 10 minutes ago. If you saw that one, you would see that I kind of hinted at what I'm going to be doing in today's video, and then if you can read, you'll probably read the title and know. But if you want to see the steps leading up to today, I would suggest going back and watching all the other videos, because in today's video I'm going to be kind of bringing what I've done so far full circle, I suppose. I'll be finishing deleting the chrome, and then I'll be deleting the emblems from the back. I did plan on tinting my taillights today, but I'm sure you saw in that clip what happened was my jack tilted. One of the wheels sank in our driveway, as we have like an asphalty, gravelly type of material in our driveway. So what happened was one of the wheels sank in and just kind of like, and then the car fell on top of it. So that sucked. So I had to have my stepbrother come over with another jack. We raised it up and I finished my oil change. What I was doing was an oil change, by the way. Well, something that should have taken 20 minutes took about 2 hours. So that sucked. So I probably don't have enough time left in the day to tint my taillights, so it'll probably be, I don't want to promise that it'll be the next video, but one of the next videos. But so for today, I'm deleting these badges, this badge, this Yark sticker, and then I'm gonna see, I have to Google whether or not this goes like through the bumper or if it's just stuck on like these ones, because if it's stuck on like these ones, I'm going to be deleting that one as well. And then I'll be deleting the chrome on here with some more vinyl wrap, in which you guys have seen before. So I'm going to get you guys set up on the tripod, just like usual, and I'm going to go through, get everything done, show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So if I've got something else to say, I'll cut in, but if not, I won't. So yeah, I'll just get right to it. All right, so that was a really simple process. Took about like 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, something like that. But after a quick Google search, I found out that there's 3 holes lined up in a triangle keeping this on. So I think I'm gonna pop this off. I just touched the heat gun with my knee. I'm gonna pop it off, spray paint it black, and probably put it back on tomorrow, just so I don't have to do anything to cover up the holes. But so I took off the C300, I took off the Yark sticker, and then I took off the 4matic badge. So while I let those areas cool down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up in black and take this off. Jeez, this adhesive will not come off. Like, ooh, I am so frustrated, dude. It's either this adhesive that Mercedes used is really good, or this adhesive remover that I got is really bad. But I swear, I've been trying to remove this gunk for like an hour. I've been at this for maybe an hour. This is what I got. I got the Yark sticker to come off really well. But this garbage, look at that, you can still see it. C300 right there in just adhesive. And then the Formatic badge, yeah. I gotta take a break, dude. I need to charge my phone. I might even run out of sunlight. Like, this is tough. All right, well, I'll get back to you after my little break, so I can cool down and stop being such an angry boy. But yeah, if you plan on doing this and you think you can get it done in like 10 minutes, no, think again, brother. Not happening, dude. But okay, break time. Okay, now that I'm done pouting, I don't know, probably 45 minutes from running out of sunlight. So, regardless, I'll keep scrubbing until it's off today. But I don't know if I'll be able to get you a reveal today. I'll probably have to come back tomorrow morning. But yeah, now that I'm done pouting, I've eaten, and I'm ready to keep on scrubbing. So, oh, and the badge, I've got the first layer of clear coat on there. Boom. It's just a badge, so I doubt it'll look bad. So I guess let's just spray it. Boom. It says it's supposed to sit for 60 seconds, so I guess I'll talk to you for a sec. But yeah, like I don't even remember what I said. I was just so frustrated. But I've been scrubbing for like an hour. Still got a bunch of gunk on there, so I probably am going to take all 45 minutes of sunlight and then some to get it completely off. But we will get there. So I am definitely going to have to tint the taillights in a different video, which is fine. It's all right. But the one thing I wanted to tell you is that I got the chrome deleted. I'm sure you've noticed, but I didn't address it. So I got that all wrapped up, good to go. I was just being too big of a baby to address that I got it wrapped. It turned out pretty well. I can't be mad at this. But look at all this. Look at this garbage. Look at that. All of that is the adhesive I've sprayed. Or I mean, adhesive remover. But okay. Anyways, that's probably sat long enough. I'm gonna get back to it. You know what? I'm glad I went in and powdered, okay? Because it gave the spray adhesive remover ample of time to soften up the adhesive. Came right off, okay? So you can still, like, in the right light, you can still see C300 and Formatic, but I think that's because that the paint under the adhesive has been under the adhesive for 10 years, and the paint outside has seen 10 years of wear. So it's probably a line because of the wear, not adhesive, as far as I can tell. But I got soapy water in this bottle, and I'm going to try and remove as much of this spray adhesive remover as I can to see what I'm left with. So I don't think I'm going to time lapse it. I'm probably just going to do it. So here we are, all debadged, minus the center badge. But I mean, honestly, I don't really hate those, but I'm not going to keep them. I did actually break one of the tabs off of the badge, so that kind of sucks, but it should still pop right back in with just the two. So, but if not, I don't know, I'll have to order a new badge. That's stupid. But yeah, I guess I can conclude this video. I don't really need to show you guys with the badge on. But I know I'm gonna end this video with a cinematic edit, so before I take those shots, I'll make sure to get the badge on so that you guys can see it in this video instead of just noticing it in next video or whatever happens. So I guess this is peace out. If you guys like the video, give it a like. If you want to keep watching what I have for this car and for other cars, I guess, make sure you subscribe. And I guess until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.